So, have you ever wanted to just be able to change your lock on your door really easily? Well, this is the perfect way to do it. Our project is called the Photo Lockbox, and it uses photoresistors to open. So companies and like hotels can just email out you the password, and it's going to look just like this. You'll get it in an email. It's just a picture. It looks just like this, just like that. Just take it, and that's how it works.
The way it works is that we have 6 photoresistors lined up in a grid pattern. When you show it the key, it sends the data to the analog pin of the Arduino, and our program reads which ones are on and at what levels they're on. It'll then, if the correct conditions are met, it'll send power through the relay to the solenoid electric door lock, which is powered by all these batteries. The solenoid valve will then shut, and it will unlock our box.
For this idea, we went through the IDEO design process, and we decided we wanted to make a lock and key system with photoresistors. Originally, we thought in the bottom left corner you can see that we would use a key that had holes cut into it, and we would shine a light through it. And we would use a servo to open the door with our own custom-made lock from sheet metal. But later we found out that there was a solenoid electric door lock which works much better, and we decided to use the phone, which provides steady light levels.
It was a lock system that did different commands when different combinations were entered, but we eventually scrapped this idea because we realized we only needed it to do one thing, and that was open the box.
Is to have a shield over the keypad, which would let it provide by LEDs its own light, so that people wouldn't, like infrared light, so that people wouldn't know that the keypad was on or off. But the problem with that would be that you'd have to like peek your head under the keypad, and it'd be really hard to see it, so we scrapped that idea too.
Our third idea, which was very similar to the final idea we used, was a lock system on the outside of the box with a grid of photoresistors on it. We'd then use a key card, which could be made out of anything such as cardstock, with holes punched in it that correspond to certain photoresistors. This idea didn't work very well though, because it relied on the natural light coming through the holes, which wasn't always constant.
Project wiring, and we ended up using piece from design 1 with the electric lock, piece from design 2, which was the light source, which was the phone, and pretty much all of design 3 except for we changed the key card to the phone. And our final product used mechanical engineering for the lock and the building of it, as well as electrical and cyber for the programming and wiring of it all.